Now that India is just few days away from an expected approval on vaccines, let's do a head-to-head comparison on the front runners. It's Pfizer versus Oxford. Now we looked at research and spoke with experts and looked at comparison on 4 basic counts: efficacy, technology, storage and price. Let's start with efficacy or effectiveness of the vaccine. Now, Pfizer vaccine boasts of an efficacy of 95% compared to something around 70% for Oxford. Immunity also appears to kick in a bit quicker with the Pfizer jab in just about 14 days compared to 22 for the Oxford shot. Now, this is mostly because of the different technology that both the vaccines use. The Oxford shot is a viral vector vaccine. It's the old school way where a specially engineered virus is infused in the body. In the case of COVID, the virus that causes chimpanzees to get the common cold is altered to use the blueprint of COVID. And because it looks like coronavirus, the body's immune system then begins to produce antibodies and T cells to fight it. Meaning, if a person gets coronavirus, the body knows exactly what it needs to fight it better and fight it faster. On the other hand, Pfizer uses the much talked about new technology called the messenger RNA. What's different here is that instead of injecting the required altered virus in your body, it instructs the body to produce it, and thus the name messenger. This is a new way and was used effectively during the SARS outbreak as well. It can be developed faster, and thus Pfizer became one of the first vaccines to get approval in the world. But that does not make it any cheaper. The Oxford vaccine would cost a few dollars per dose, whereas the Pfizer vaccine costs about $18 to $19 per dose. That makes Pfizer much faster to produce, but at least 18 to 19 times more expensive. And then the all-crucial question of storage. While the Pfizer jab must be deep frozen and it is to be used within 5 days of leaving the dry ice containers, the Oxford jab can be kept in a fridge just between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and used up to 6 months. Now this is huge relief for countries like India, which are set to witness one of the biggest vaccination drives in the world.